Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set caller ID announcement, that is caller name announcer in our phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to this dialer, then go to these three vertical dots here and go to settings there. Now here select answering and ending calls, and here turn on the button against read caller names allowed. Read caller names allowed and turn on this button and click over read caller names allowed. Here it is set to over Bluetooth and headphones only. Okay, that means if you have if you are connected with your Bluetooth and headphones, then only it will announce caller name. Okay, so if you would like to announce caller names every time, then select always. Okay, then now I am checking. Okay, caller name announcer is now set. Now I am checking. I will call from another phone. Just wait. See here.
Jury print.
While I get a call, this three prints is read. Okay, once again I am showing.
Jury print.
Listen, caller ID, caller name announcement is done. Okay, so in this way you can easily set caller ID announcement or caller name announcer in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.